In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover your 1xBet account. So first head over and launch 1xBet. Then next at the bottom right corner of your screen, click menu. Then from here, just scroll down to the end until you see customer support. So click on it. Now here you have two options where you can reach them out. You can reach them out through chat or through online call. So just choose from any of these two and say for example you pick to reach them out through chat. Start composing your message like I need help to recover my account. And all you have to do is send this to them, and the chat that you sent will trigger the bot message. And from here, you can actually follow some of the steps to recover your account. Add a response until you see this message. Can you share a bit more context? And just answer yes. And you can just retype your message again. And just by that, you are now being connected with a live agent. From here, you can continue speaking with this operator so they can further assist you in recovering your 1xBet account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!